Circle, or welcome if this is your first time. If you don't know who I am, my name is Sydney, I'm 20 and I'm from Texas, and this is my little circle of friends here. And if you would like to join said circle of friends, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, and that's it. So, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm officially done with my fall semester of my junior year of college, and good grief, it was terrible, but I'm back. But it is winter break now, which means it's officially the holiday season. Gifts and spending money and the cold and seasonal depression. Anyways, about a year ago, I did a project for one of my classes, and it was essentially we had to make a video about anything we wanted. And I thought I would make a gluten-free pecan pie tutorial. And if you're wondering why gluten-free, well, I have celiac disease. And if you don't know what celiac disease is, here's the definition. I'll give you a moment to read it. Yeah, so basically I just can't eat wheat or gluten. It really just upsets my body in the worst way. My body hates it, it rejects it. Those are just a couple of food allergies I have. If you want to know the rest of them, here's a list. How do I eat? How do I survive? How do I nourish myself? I couldn't tell you. I know it's a lot, but anyways. So yeah, I thought, you know what, why don't I create that content for me and my fellow celiacs? So that's basically what this video is. Shout out to my dad who filmed the part where we were at the grocery store, and shout out to my friend Ali who helped me make the pie because my family could not be bothered to help me. But before we get into it, let me just say that I forgot to mention in the video how to properly prepare the frozen gluten-free pie crust. So I'm going to include those instructions in the description below so you guys can follow along. However, you can make this pie with regular crust. I'm going to leave the recipe link down below as well so y'all can follow along, add your own little twang to it. This is a pretty diverse pie. It's the best of both worlds because it can be made gluten-free or gluten-full. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Go ahead, Sydney from the past. Go get 'em. from the past. That was a great tutorial, and that pie was delish. Well, guys, gals, and non-binary pals, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, join the circle today, and let me know if y'all try out this recipe. Let me know how it goes, if it was good, if it was bad, if you loved it, if you hated it, if you add your own little thing to it. Let me know in the comments below. Remember, I will be leaving the recipe linked in the description as well as the instructions for the frozen gluten-free pie crust. But yeah, I will catch you guys next video. Bye!